Looking for a powerful kitchen mixer that adds both style and function to your countertop? The Aucma Stand Mixer might be just what you need. With a high-performance 660-watt pure copper motor, it delivers strong and steady mixing power. It also features 6 optimized speeds plus a pulse function, making it versatile enough for everything from light whipping to heavy dough. Despite the power, it runs surprisingly quiet, with an operation noise under 76 decibels. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl is a game-changer. It's large enough to handle most baking tasks with ease, whether you're mixing cookie dough, kneading bread, or whipping cream. Dual handles on the bowl make it easier to lift and pour, especially when working with heavier mixes. The tilt head design allows quick access to the bowl and attachments, making cleanup and setup much smoother. Design-wise, the mixer stands out. It features a stainless steel trim and a soft blue LED light as a power indicator. But the real showstopper is the red finish with a double-layer painting. It's sleek, vibrant, and instantly elevates any kitchen space. The build is sturdy thanks to its ABS housing, and it looks just as good as it performs. Included in the box are 3 essential attachments: a whisk, dough hook, and mixing beater. Plus, there's a splash guard with an access hatch to prevent messes while letting you add ingredients on the go. The Aucma Stand Mixer is not just functional, it's gift-worthy too. It makes a thoughtful present for anyone who loves to bake or cook. For reliability, performance, and style, this mixer truly delivers. And if you ever need support, the company promises helpful customer service at any time.